Hey, Highland High School digital art students. Today you are going to learn how to make a photo look like an engraving using a filter in Photoshop. This is part of the Make Your Own Money project. And so first we're going to start with looking for a photo. So I am going to zoom in here, and I have looked for Jenny Slate, and so I found a picture I like. I'm going to save it and then open it up in Photoshop. Here it is. So you would just go to File, Open, and look for it. And then the next thing I'm going to do is make sure that my color is set to black and white. If your color is set to something different, then you can just click here on the black and white and it'll set it to black and white. So next, I want to go to Filter, and we're going to choose Filter Gallery. And then let's drag this up here. So up here in the Filter Gallery, we got something weird. It looks like it's set to something artistic. So I know I need to come down to the sketch, and I'll choose halftone pattern. Now from here you can see you can change things up. You can make this pattern more or less prominent, like change the size of the dots. You can change the contrast, and you want to make it look like it's just black and white. So maybe make these dots a little smaller, and I'll make this a little darker like this. I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to hit OK, and now we have that halftone pattern. And so it's just a bunch of dots, but so when you zoom in, like we did the other day on Abraham Lincoln, it doesn't look like much. It's just a bunch of dots, but when you zoom out, it ends up looking like a face. Really cool. So now I'm just going to go to the Move tool and click and drag and hold the mouse and drag it right up to here. I'm holding the mouse still, holding the mouse, and I drop it. And now I'm into my whole project. From here, the next lesson, you'll learn how to mask. Thank you for learning.